Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm gonna teach you how to do contortion poses. But before I start, remember to subscribe and like to my channel. And also, contortion is an act of bending or twisting your body into unnatural shapes and positions. Flexibility is just like back bends or the example contortion poses. So the first contortion pose is, so this is the first pose. It's standing on one leg. It's called contorting. You try to hold it as much as you can. And then you bend one knee. Try to balance yourself, and it's okay if you fall many times. Just remember to try as much as you can bend, and just like that. Try on both legs. 2-3 times. Same with the other leg. And now, the next pose is a pigeon. So pigeon starts with a split. Then bend this leg. Then take this leg, and then this is for beginners. This is for beginners. But if you want to do advanced, this is advanced. If you want to do even more, advanced. Oh yes, like that. Okay. This is for beginners. This is for advanced. If you want to hold it even better, you can hold it to your leg, and you can try to twist as well. Now let's do the other leg. That's right. The next pose, so that was a pigeon pose. So all these flexibility include by twisting and making shapes in your body. The next pose is bow. So it's called a bow. We start by laying down. Then we take this leg and take the other one. Then we try to squeeze our legs through. This is for bow. Bow is just like this. One swing. This is for advanced, and this is for beginners. That was for advanced. So all this flexibility including by twisting and making shapes in your body. This is called contortion. The next pose is a floor needle. Floor needle starts by laying down on your stomach, taking one leg. But if you want to go full floor needle, hold it down, then try to get it up. This is for beginners. Now for advanced. Come over here. So if you fall, it's okay because you can get. So that was for advanced. For beginners, you lay down as same as on your back and on your stomach. Then take only one leg and just this. Easy. If you want to go even further, you can try to get to a deeper stretch by holding onto your leg or anything. Then you can hold it from the other side and try to straighten up. The same thing. Then we hold this and get this to your chin. Just like that. The next pose is actually a standing pose. So it goes by straining your knees. Try to get it to your chin. Let's start with some support first. So this is what it calls. Just like that. So all these contortion poses. So all these poses are very good. So those were 4 poses. The first one I did was a standing and bending your knee. The second pose I did was a pigeon, doing a split and then bending one another and try to hold it down. Wait, the last pose that I did, let's try it without some help this time. Alright, so start by balancing straight. You take one leg and try to get it as closer. So this is for beginners, guys. If you want to do advanced, do this. Let's try with the other leg. If your other leg is not that flexible, it's fine. Both legs have to be as same as flexible. So let's see. Let's start by the first leg. Now let's try the other leg. If your both legs can do the split, that means everything you can do with perfect. If you have a special like a right or left leg with flexibility, you should have both the same flexibility on each leg. Like a split. Then on the other leg. If you think that your hips hurt, that means that the other leg is not that flexible as the other one. So try to keep both legs flexible so you can do. So for beginners, start with the support and try to get it closer. Try to get it in bender. You can hold it on to your legs. And for advanced, you can try to hold it from the other and try to let your hands open. Just like that. So, all of these were contortion poses for beginners. Trying to do all of these contortion poses. The last pose I'm going to do is a triangle. For beginners, you try to just get closer to your legs, just like that. But for advanced, try to get even more. Try to hold the other leg. Here is our triangle. Wow, guys, you see that? If you think it's good, subscribe or like. So, as I told you, contortion is an act by bending or twisting. So all the shapes I did was included in contortion. So so triangle is a shape. So you try to bend on the other leg and try to make some space, and then try to bend yourself there, just like that. And try to get up there and try to get smoother and spin again at the same time. So guys, all this is very good for beginners, advanced or beginners. You can do any of these with beginner, advanced, beginner or advanced. All of these were all to learn for beginners. So guys, remember to subscribe and like to my channel and smash that like button right now. Turn on the notification bell, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye. And subscribe.